So this is part 2 of my Copper Waterfalls video where I'm hiking back to the parking lot. I just dropped my phone and thought I would just get a little bit more of the trail for you. Just so you can kind of experience walking through the woods with me. And then that way I got somebody with me. So there's something about being in the northwest forestry lands. It's just a really quite peaceful. There's some birch trees that are knocked down. Here's another bench. I did not have to sit down. Walking these trails on these waterfalls have gotten me out of my SUV a little bit more often and a little bit more exercise. You know, you could really stiffen up if you never get out of your vehicle and just drive around. So you got to get out and explore, you know, these beautiful landscapes. I am very impressed with these trails up here in Idaho. There's been a couple that have been pretty rough, a lot of rocks, but these are generally the kind that I like, where they just kind of gradually go up and down, and not a lot of roots and rocks. And this is my hiking stick that my son got me for my birthday a couple of years ago. And I've been using it quite often. So thanks, Junior. Haven't seen anybody today on trail. So I think I'm going to end it right here. And I hope you've enjoyed your hike with me. So out.